In this tutorial, we will see that how can screen record on Mac in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you will be on this home page here. Click on that launchpad and you will see these all apps here. Open this others folder and here you will get this QuickTime Player. That's the app which will help us to record a screen. Open it, click on it and it will show you in this dock. Now come to this QuickTime and touch two fingers on your touchpad. Here you will see these multiple options. Movie, audio and screen record. To record a screen, select this third option and then these features will appear where you can select to record selected portion or record entire screen. You can also capture selected portion or entire portion. So now if we try to record a selected portion, click on that icon and then you can select the portion that you want to record. After selecting it, if you click on that record button, it will start recording that portion. But in case if you are trying to record entire screen, select this icon and then you can select record. If you select options from here, you will get here these some of more features like save to, timer, microphone or options. If you want to record your audio with MacBook Air microphone, you can select this option and you can also check out these more options from here. If I click on that record button, it will start recording. Now to see whether it's recording or not, hover at that header and you will see here this stop icon. It means our screen is recording. Now to stop this screen recording, click on that stop icon and this window will appear. And here's the video that we have just recorded. Now to save it, click on that file button and scroll it to export as. Here you can select your video quality. I will export it to 1080 and you can also rename it from here and you can also select the location where you want to save it. And at last click save and it will be saved. So that's how you can screen record on MacBook in just few steps.